Hello, in this video I will talk about LoShuGrid app of Numerology software. Before this I have made other videos about different taxes. You can watch them by going to the playlist. So let us know what are the features of LoShuGrid in this software. So let's start. When you go to this link, NumeriiSoft.com, you can log in. First-time users can register and you can also log in through social media. After that, you reach the dashboard. On the dashboard, you will find multiple software options. Today, we are going to discuss the numerology software. When you click on it, you will see a form like this where you enter your name, mobile number, and so on, and then submit it. After that, you get multiple tabs. So today we will talk about the LoShuGrid. In this step, the LoShuGrid appears like this. Here, the Mulank and Bhagyang are given, and the Kua number is also shown. If you click on the Kua number, the numbers related to the Kua number will appear here. Detailed information is given here for both males and females. This is another interesting thing. Here, the percentages for thought plane, will plane, and action plane are all given. For example, if someone does not have any number in a particular row, then what percentage is there? For instance, if we look at the action plane, only 2 is present, 7 and 6 are not there. So here, 33% is given where there are 2 rows, 67% like that, and wherever there is a complete 100%, if none are present, then it's 0%. Then here, number analysis is given, where all the numbers, important bhagyang, mulang, compound number, name number, sun sign, and year are shown. Number month number given. When we come to the third plane, it is explained here that according to the date of birth, you have a 33% weightage, right? And double 8 is the will plane, which is 911, and this has a 66% weightage. And what does this mean? What is the outlook action plane? What does it mean? What is the weightage of the mental plane? It means 66% weightage. So, what happens is, what does the emotional plane mean? What does the practical plane mean? What is the spiritual plane? What does the will plane mean? The details about the missing numbers. It has been given what each one is. What does missing number mean, right? And after this, the small arrows that are there. Are they being formed or not? So here it is given whether it is there or not, right? And all these available numbers, what does it mean if they appear as a single visit? Like, what does number 1 mean? If number 8 is coming twice, what does that mean? If number 1 is coming twice, what does that mean? So, is it a single time or multiple times? Apart from this, in this section, we will discuss all this. How to calculate the Pythagorean personal day, personal year, and month. So if you enter any date, say you enter 28, put in a month and submit, then here it will generate the day number for you. If you want to know how today will be, you can click on this and you'll get to know about today. So all these things you can find out. If you click on the month, you'll get to know how this month will be, that's given here. And if you want to know about the year, that's also given. The entire personal month and date are provided here if you want to know. Which birth month will be active in which month throughout 2024 is also given here, like which birth month will run in January, which one in February, it's all provided. It's all given here. After this, there's a common analysis, marriage and relationship analysis, career and finance analysis, health, speed, and Ayurveda. I've explained all this. You can go and watch the previous video. There's also important annual color and remedies, which I've explained in detail. When you generate this, in the Generate Reports section, you can change things here, and there's a checklist. If you only want the details of the LoShuGrid, you can uncheck this, and only the details related to the LoShuGrid will appear in your report. So, all these details, when we go to generate the report, you can see them here. You can make changes here and select from your people. And when you go to the report, a report like this will be generated with all the details provided, just like we discussed about the Chaldean tab. So, all the details are in this report. Here, you will see numerology mobile number reports like birthday, health, relationship, everything we discussed. Now, this is the Pythagorean section, and in the Chaldean tab, all the numbers we discussed plus their combinations appear here. What does this mean? And the Mahadsha for Cancer in 2024, the Mahadsha year number and its details, and for 2025 as well, since I had selected 2 years. All this analysis, the white LoShuGrid and remedies, etc., are all given below. So, we'll go through everything step by step. Thank you. See you in the next video, where I'll talk about a different tab, maybe about mobile numbers or the LoShuGrid or about Pythagorean. So, we'll look at each tab one by one and see how users can use them. So, thank you.